Hey everybody, Mr. Bone here for one of the last videos. This is the end, sort of, especially if you're caught up. So May 25th to 29th, let's see what's happening here. I needed to do this. There we go. All right, so what's happening? Final test is this week. And now that applies to both 6th and 7th grade because 6th grade we did some adjusting last week, and some of you will remember. And so final test is this week. I know school is not officially done until next week, but we need to have grades in, and I need to put them in starting Wednesday. So you need to be done by Wednesday. Done. All done. No more stuff done. Okay. Make sure you get that all set. I would like you to keep checking Skyward for any missing assignments. Some of you have a lot of missing assignments. Some of you guys are all completely caught up, and I see you're even done with the whole class. You guys are sitting pretty. Some of the others of you, not so much. So let's try to get those things done. I'll be putting in last week's activity very soon, so those grades could change again. So if you were all caught up, and then either later today or tomorrow I put in those new grades, maybe you won't be. So keep checking Skyward, please, just to make sure that your assessment of what's happening agrees with my assessment of what's happening. And next week is it. That's all there is. And if you get the final test done this week, like you should if you're on schedule, next week you don't really have anything. It's just making sure everything is done and crossing your T's and dotting your I's and all that kind of stuff. Putting final grades in on Wednesday. Be done. That's not this Wednesday. That's Wednesday, June 3rd. I'm putting those in. So make sure that you have everything completed by June 3rd. We don't want to worry about special summer schools. We don't want to worry about, did you get everything that you need for next year? We don't want to worry about any of that stuff. Just be done. Make sure that you have a G in your second semester grade, your third marking period grade. I don't know how it shows up to you guys exactly. Make sure it is a G, not a U. If it's a G, you're good. If it's not a G, then we have to worry about those other things. So let's not do that. Get stuff done. And if you do get it done and it's something that's already been in Skyward, you have to email me. There's no way in the world I can keep going through Edgenuity and checking everybody all the time to see what you've got. So just drop me an email and say, hey, I got this done. And I will gladly go put it in. I want to put in every single grade I can. I want everybody to get every single grade done that they can. And I want this to be as successful of a second semester as we could have had. And other than that, I think that's it. I will put out another one next week. Tomorrow will be maybe our last video meet. I'm not sure I'm going to do it on that last Wednesday. So for the few of you who show up, we'll have it tomorrow, 10:30. And I will see everybody then. Goodbye.